Welcome, low ego action heroes. This is Debbie Levitt from deltacx.com. And a question I get sometimes is, how can you do qualitative research on a product that hasn't been developed yet? Okay, that sounds like it's some sort of impossible paradox, but actually it's great to do. It's absolutely great to do that type of generative research. So we're going to end up researching not the product that doesn't exist yet, but those potential customers. So hopefully somebody at this company has a sense of who the target or potential customers are. Let's break them into some groups. It might be a little early for personas. You might just have general customer groups that you're considering targeting. Now we can do some research on them. First of all, let's get to know who they are and what they need and what they're doing relating to what your company might want to create. Very often we will do qualitative research, which will be observational studies and or interviews to learn what they're doing now. So for example, if you have some sort of project management system or your company is thinking of building one, let's meet people who are project managers or who tend to function in those roles. Let's meet a dozen of them. Let's learn how they manage projects now. Let's learn where this goes right for them and where this goes terribly wrong, and they meet the 4 horsemen of bad CX. My registered trademark: frustration, confusion, disappointment, and distraction. These are evil things that summon the apocalypse. So if we can start to really learn what are their tasks, what are their workarounds, how much knowledge do they have, where is this breaking for them, where is this inefficient or negative in some ways, then we can see where are the opportunities for our company to build something different. If we meet a bunch of people and they're all thrilled to pieces with how they manage their projects, maybe there is no opportunity for your company, and it's best to pivot and look elsewhere at what you might want to build. Great to learn that early on in research, rather than learning it early on after it's been built and released. Yikes. So you can definitely do a lot of qualitative research with your proposed target customers to learn what they do now and where that is working or not working. We can be asking them, but it's always better to watch them. So see if this is a digital product, see if they will share their screen and walk through some of their tasks. If it's in person, not safe in coronavirus times, but if you're listening to this and we're past those, go to where they are and watch them. And that will help you develop and architect and conceptualize a better product. So do not skip on that research. Do not skimp on that research. Get on it. I hope this helps. Won't you please subscribe here on the YouTube channel? You can also empathize with the like button, give it a tap, and let the algorithm know this was pretty good. You can join our Slack workspace, which is totally free, and of course, optional tip jar. Thanks, and see you in the next video.